What's up, my lowriders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official lowrider. You guys, I am out and about today. My back feels better than it did yesterday, so it's improving every day. But I had to come and put some gas in my car because I had 6 miles worth of gas in my car. Not paying attention. Well, paying attention, just too lazy to get out and pump some gas because my husband ain't home. My son is out of town. So yeah, with that being said, I came to put some gas in my car. About to take this t-shirt that I got from Temu back because it's the wrong color and the wrong size. Ooh, excuse me. So I'm going to UPS to send it back. I got the hiccups. And then I'm going to the grocery store because I'm cooking some spaghetti tonight. And I saw this man that was outside of the gas station. I'm getting this done. Okay, it's done. I saw this man that was outside the gas station, and he I was supposed to get a free soda or something. Let me go see what this man's saying. Something free, coffee, soda, something when you fill up, I guess. But forget it, I'm good. And he asked me, he didn't ask for no money, but what he did ask for was, he said, excuse me, ma'am, can you buy me a sandwich, some chips, and a soda? I'm like, sure, come in and pick it up. So he got himself a Dr. I said, oh, give me one while you over there. So I got him a Dr. Pepper sandwich and soda. You know, sometimes I have it in me to be a little bit nice, sometimes, you know. But yeah, it was just a sandwich, and he didn't ask for no money, so it was just a sandwich, some food. So I would hope that if one of my sons was like that, then somebody would help them. They're not like that, but I'm just saying, if one of my kids was like that and asking for food, then somebody would help them out. But I'm about to go to UPS right now and take this t-shirt back, and yeah, and the t-shirt was supposed to be one of the free items. They charged me $19. I would never pay $19 for a t-shirt from Temu. They got me all the way effed up. So with that being said, you guys, I'm about to head over to UPS, and I'll see you guys at the grocery store, or maybe even at UPS. Okay, my little riders, I decided to go to Del Taco and give me something to eat because I took my meds, didn't have anything on my stomach. And now I'm hungry. And it made my stomach hurt. I got an aldi burrito with extra cheese, sour cream, and green sauce. I already went to UPS. I wasn't even in there for 5 minutes. It's so pretty outside today. At Smith's again. Kroger's in the south, Smith's in the west coast. Called myself gonna make some spaghetti. Didn't have the pasta, didn't have the spaghettis, didn't have the sauce. So guess what? I am here at the store. Yeah, I'm telling you, every single time, I always seem to get a raggedy basket the first time. Okay, you guys, I'm back from the store. I got some, you guys saw what I put in my basket, but just in case you didn't, here we go. I got some home fried bread, some spaghetti noodles, Prego, pancake mix, barbecue sauce, spaghetti seasoning mix, eggs, butter, and I got some water that's outside in the garage. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna take a nap, about an hour nap. I'm not about to cook this spaghetti right now. I probably won't even film me making making the spaghetti. But one thing I will do, I will show you guys a plate. Okay, that's it. That's all, and I'll see you guys a little bit later on this Monday afternoon. Boom. What's up, my little riders? It is Tuesday morning, and I am at the dentist again. See, so what's going on right now is I'm just here to get fitted for my partial. Right here, it had too much space. Because this tooth is close to this, it had too much space, and I never had a gap, so they're gonna, well, they said they fixed it, so we'll see when I get the new partial. And I have the partial because years ago, me fighting, I bit somebody, and it, what happened? I bit somebody, and it made my tooth come out. I had, my oldest son was about 8 months. He was sitting in my lap, he was doing this, and he bammed his head back, and it hit this tooth. Okay, I got a root canal on it. So that was that. The first thing, I got a root canal on it. Then years after that, I think my son probably was like 10 years old. I was fighting with an ex-boyfriend, and I bit his finger. Hi, and I bit his finger, and the tooth came off. Well, it broke down to almost nothing, so they couldn't save it, so they pulled it. So I've been having a partial. So with that being said, I came to get a new partial, and they made it wasn't properly sized. So with that being said, now they're gonna they fixed it and they're properly sizing it so that it'll be, won't have this space right here. So yeah, hopefully it's fixed properly. If not, I'm just gonna go to a different dentist. And when you guys be seeing my teeth, when they're like pearly white and straight and perfect, I be having on my snapper and veneers. So yeah, that's what that's about. But okay, you guys, the dentist just walked in, and I'm going to be going back in a minute. So with that being said, I'll let you guys see what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, my lovers, I am back home, and I am about to make some pancakes, eggs, and sausage. I already got my little mixture and my stuff. Ooh, shoot. For my pancakes, hold up, let me put some water in here. You guys, it's the best pancakes mix ever.
Yeah, nice and sweet. Shit, exactly that. Yes, good.
Oops. And I like to add a little bit of vanilla flavoring. And make sure there's vanilla flavoring, because one time I put mint in there. And a little bit of cinnamon. Dang, this shit's flying all over the place. What's going on here? Okay, my little riders, after we had breakfast, we chilled for a bit. I did some housework. Grandson played on his game. And the reason he's not in school today on Tuesday because his bus did not come to pick him up. Every Monday or Tuesday, his bus driver does not come. I think she'd be having to try to have a 3 or 4 day weekend. So with that being said, we rested, chilled, and then we went to the park. And it was a beautiful day to be out at the park, you guys. It was so amazing.
I just wanna ball, making plays. Hit a crisscross, make a fall, win the game. Break his ankles, what you doing in my lane? Hit him with an alley oop, now they screaming out my name. Let's do it. Take it to the hoop, push through it. Get to it. Showstopper, you the champ, let's do it. Moving state to state, I'ma show you how to play. I just wanna ball, so just get up out my way. I just want it all, so right now you gotta wait. I just gotta call.
You guys, we out here at the park. As soon as we got here, before we got out the car, this one fell asleep. So my grandson is somewhere around here. He was on his electric bike. He didn't went over there, so we had to play. And you know, you gotta keep an eye on these kids these days.